Today in this video, I want to give you two different ways on how to learn how to braid. They're very simple ways, very easy, beginner friendly for anybody who has even never done braids before. The first method, it's called rubber band method. And this one, you need a rubber band. You tie it around the hair. This one is just to help you secure the first part of the hair. And then after securing it very well, the way you can see it on this video, then you're going to use your crochet. Crochet is just to help you. You see how neat it's looking like? Yes. So once you secure that part, then use your crochet and then crochet the hair you're going to use the braid. So once you have once you crochet it in between, this one will give you now the 3 parts that you're supposed to use for braiding. Now, this one helps with people who don't even know how to grip hair. Yes, that's why it's very, very beginner friendly and it's very, very easy. Anybody who, as long as you just know how to braid the regular hair but you don't know how to do the single braids like this one, then these are very nice tutorial for you. So you're just going to braid down the way you can see me braiding it down. And the hair that she had, I had a lot of hair, so I had to borrow it or divide it to the other hair so that it's more or less the same. So you're going to braid it down, and this is one of the ways that I used when I was learning how to braid when I first started, and this is the first method that I learned how to do. So I believe that if it helped me to reach where I have reached right now, I believe someone else can also borrow this idea and just learn how to braid on your own hair or on your friend's hair, on your cousin's hair. Anybody wants their hair braided, you have to start from somewhere. And also in this video, I'm also going to show you how to tie a knot. Yes, sometimes you want the curls at the end, but sometimes when you braid down, they start becoming more loose. So this one helps it to secure the bottom part. And what you do, you just roll the hair in between your fingers, and then you slip it in between your fingers just like that. And yeah, already you have a strong end. Now you can see how that braids look like. Now the second method is this one here. I don't know how it's called, but yes. So what you do, you use one finger, left finger usually, you hold part of the hair and also you hold the braids. You can see how I'm doing it. Yes. So that one is the second method. This one is when you've known how to grip hair. You've done the first one and you're good at that one. Now this one helps you to learn how to grip hair when you're braiding. So you pass the hair through like that, and then you have 3 parts, and now you start braiding down. Very easy as well. If you are able to learn these 2 methods, then you can even do it on your own hair or even help somebody do their hair. If this video was able to help you, please leave your comments below, like, share this video, and even rewatch it just for you to be able to learn more. I'll be posting more videos on how to teach you how to do cornrows. I've posted more videos on how to do boho braid. I'll also be posting more videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so that every time I post something new, you are able to see. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video.